Welcome to my BRGK study channel. Which year was the Supreme Court of India established? The correct answer is B. 1950. Where is the Supreme Court of India located? The correct answer is C. New Delhi. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is A. H.J. Kania. Which article establishes the Supreme Court of India? The correct answer is A. Article 124. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is A. President. Which is the highest judicial authority in India? The correct answer is B. Supreme Court. Which article gives Supreme Court advisory jurisdiction? The correct answer is B. Article 143. The retirement age of a Supreme Court judge is? The correct answer is C. 65. Which case introduced the basic structure doctrine in India? The correct answer is B. Keswananda Bharti case. Which article empowers Supreme Court to review its judgments? The correct answer is B. Article 137. Please like the video. Who was the first woman judge of Supreme Court? The correct answer is C. M. Fatima Biwi. Which article gives Supreme Court power of judicial review? The correct answer is A. Article 32. Who was the longest-serving Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is A. Y.V. Chandrachud. Supreme Court of India came into existence in which city? The correct answer is B. Delhi. Which article ensures equality before law in India? The correct answer is B. Article 14. Which article allows writs for enforcement of fundamental rights? The correct answer is B. Article 32. Which is the highest court in a state of India? The correct answer is B. High Court. Which case declared right to privacy a fundamental right? The correct answer is C. K.S. Puttaswamy. Who was the first Dalit Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is A. K.G. Balakrishnan. Last question is for you. Write the answer in the comment box. Which article defines the original jurisdiction of Supreme Court? Thanks for watching.